So we were doing yesterday about the unit test one. Now today we are with the topic of book, and that is political theory. In first lesson, in first lecture, I told you about Nelson Mandela, and now today I will be with you with another freedom fighter. Another freedom fighter. Her name was Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi. She is basically from Myanmar, and I gave you some topic about Aung San Suu Kyi. Seeks her freedom as connect. Aung San Suu Kyi sees her freedom as connected to the freedom of her people. I told you that she was not allowed to visit her husband uh, in England. She was unable to go to because she knew it that if she feared that if she left Myanmar to visit him in England, he means her husband, England, she would not be able to return. She will not be able to return because military junta will not allow her to return in Myanmar. So what she did, Aung San Suu Kyi seeks her freedom as connected to the freedom of her people. Her book of essays, she wrote a book of essays where the title freedom from fear, freedom from fear. इसके किताब का नाम क्या है? Freedom from fear. It could be a question for you that freedom from fear written by Aung San Suu Kyi. Here she says, for me, real freedom is freedom from fear. Unless you can live free from fear, you cannot live a dignified human life. आपके मन में यदि एक डर बैठा हुआ है कि मैं जाऊंगा, बाहर जाऊंगा, इफ आई गो आउटसाइड that somebody will kill you, somebody will lift you up, somebody will arrest you, you are not able to discuss yourself, you are unable to express yourself. These are all type of fear. It means you're not living free, so you are not living a dignified life. These are key thoughts that led us to pause and consider the implication. We must not, her words suggest, be afraid of the opinions of other people or the attitude of authority or the reaction of the members of the community to the things we want to, of the ridicule of our peers or speaking our mind. We are unable when we are unable to speak about our mind, मतलब जो दिमाग में है, जो मन में है, you are unable to speak up, you are unable to express yourself, then that is restriction on your movement, restriction on freedom. Yet we find that we often exhibit such fear. For Aung San Suu Kyi, living a dignified human life requires us to able to overcome such type of fear. बार बार ये fear की बात कर रहा है, because the chapter name is freedom. Freedom means आजादी. यदि आप डर के मारे you are sitting in home and you are not coming outside, again a fear, it means you are not living a dignified life. Again in Myanmar, you should read your newspaper. Again in Myanmar, military junta is there, military dictatorship is there. Dictatorship means military one. There is no fundamental right. Again, she is in house arrest. So from these two books of Nelson Mandela, one, and Aung San Suu Kyi, two, we can see the power of ideal of freedom, an ideal that the center of our national struggle and struggle of the peoples of Asia. मीन्स हम आज तक 1947 में आजाद हुए, किससे आजाद हुए? जस्ट यू थिंक अबाउट इट, हम कहाँ से आजाद हुए? हमको आजादी मिली, वी गॉट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम फियर. we can say that India is our country. We are living in a free country where you have got your fundamental rights. We have got your fundamental rights. Nobody can, snatch your fundamental rights. कोई आपसे छीन नहीं सकता है fundamental rights को. You are free to express anything. You are free to express against the government also. Against the government also. So that is the free from any type of fear. From these two books, we got an idea what is the meaning of free from fear. Now, struggle of the people of Asia and Africa against British, French, and Portuguese colonies. You will be as ironical that these two or three countries, they were under the British, they were under the French, they were under the Portuguese. India is the one country where the five countries they captured India as the slave country. Portuguese were also there, French were also there, Britishers were also there. We were the colonies of these three people. Dutches were also there. Okay. Now, next topic is what is freedom? Freedom आखिर क्या है? Freedom means आजादी. Freedom आखिर क्या है? A simple answer to the question what is freedom is absence of constraints. Absence of constraints. That means restriction, constraint and limitations. Freedom is said to exist. External constraints on the individual are absent. In terms of definition, an individual could be considered free if he or she is not subject to external controls or coercion and is able to make independent decisions. When we are able to make independent decisions, we are free. However, absence of constraints is only one dimension of freedom. Freedom is also about expanding the ability of people to freely express themselves and develop their potential. Freedom in this sense is the condition on which people can develop their creative and capabilities. Freedom is there when you are able to develop your capabilities. When you are develop, you can develop yourself. You can develop your creativity. That is called freedom. Before I stop over here, I want to before to go for Swaraj. I want to go for Swaraj. Here Swaraj is a concept to freedom in Indian politics thought. In Swaraj, the term Swaraj means Swa, self, and Raj, rule. Sorry. When we are able to rule ourselves, that is called Swaraj. In the context of freedom, struggle in India referred to freedom as a constitutional and political demand as a value of the social collective level. That is why Swaraj was such an important rally crying for the freedom movement, inspiring Tilak's famous statement, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Means लोकमान्य बाल गंगाधर तिलक ने कहा था कि स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और इसको मैं पाके रहूंगा. Number one, Swaraj means when you are able to rule yourself. Swaraj means a part of democracy. Democracy is a part of Swaraj, where you rule yourself. You have your own people to rule on yourself. By the people, for the people, of the people. Yeah. It is the understanding of Swaraj as rule over the self that was highest by Mahatma Gandhi, Mr. Gandhi, and his work Hind Swaraj was state. It is Swaraj when we learn to rule ourselves. When we learn to rule ourselves and we have got our own self-respect, number one, self-responsibility, number two, enhance the capabilities, number three, and self-realization, number four, These are all part and parcel, etc., part and parcel of Swaraj. But no one is going to rule you. You are ruling yourself through the democratic set of mind, through the democratic set of rules, through the democratic government. So Gandhi believed the development that follows would liberate both individual and collective potentialities guided by the principle of justice. Needless to say, relevant to the 21st century, it was when Gandhi wrote the Hind Swaraj. So Gandhi started this, but before Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak also said that Swaraj means when you are going to rule yourself. Right. Now, these aspects of freedom, the absence of external constraints, absence of the existence, absence of the existence of constraints, as well as existence of condition in which people can develop their talents. In fear, you cannot develop yourself. When you are in fear, you cannot develop yourself. जब आप डर के अंदर जीते हो तब आप आगे मर चुके होते हो. जब हम डर में जीते हैं ना, हम आगे मर चुके होते हैं, क्योंकि अब क्या होगा, what will happen, that particular sentence not let us live for the further future. आप इसी डर में जीते रहते हो कि now what will happen. जब आप बिना डर के जीते हो, that is called living in life. A free society would be one which enables all members to develop their potential with the minimum of social constraints. Minimum of social constraints. Your constraint should be very minimum. Restriction should be minimum. Then you can develop yourself. Then you can develop yourself. Okay. So with the minimum of social constraints, no individual living in society can hope to enjoy total absence of any kind of constraint or restriction. It becomes necessary then to determining which social constraints are justified and which are not, are acceptable or which should be removed. You know, these restrictions on which you are given, some restrictions are there. You know, these restrictions are necessary. Otherwise, it is said that Indian human beings are social animals. You should be in discipline. That is not restriction. There are, that is called discipline. When discipline is there, automatically some type of restriction is there. So restriction and fear is two separate issues. You should have freedom, but with the sense of restriction. For example, you cannot drive at the speed of more than 90 kilometers on the road. High speed, you can say, very high speed. If you cross the limit, what will happen? You can have a fatal accident. That is a restriction. That is sometimes fear is positive also, negative also. Positive means by positive. Suppose I say, if you don't study, you will not pass. If you don't study, you will not pass. And if you don't pass, you will not go for the next class. Your promotion will be stopped. That is a fear. In this is a positive fear. Then what you will do? You will go for the study. Hard work is there. And this is a positive. Negative, you know, suppose somebody captures you, that is a negative. You have a fear of unwanted fear in your heart. Somebody will trick you. Somebody will is going to do something harm for you, right? It's not, no one is going to harm you, but you have some fear. That is a negative one. In every aspect, we have positive also, we have negativity also. So, to understand which social constraints are necessary, which social constraints are necessary, discussion on freedom need to look at the core relationship between the individual and the society, or group or community or state with which he is placed. That is, we need to examine the relationship between individual and society. What is the relationship between individual and society? Every individual has some relationship with the society. Many individuals make one society. Means one individual is also the part of society. Now, what society decides, you have to accept it. But if society decides wrong thing, you develop a fear, right? So if society decides a good thing for you, then that is not fear. That is, you have to do it for your own benefit, right? We would need to determine which features are desirable and which features are not. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि आप क्या डिसाइड करते हो, कौन सा फीचर्स आपके लिए एक्सेप्टेबल है, कौन सा एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, कौन सा फियर पॉजिटिव है, कौन सा फियर नेगेटिव, right? Which should be removed and which should not be removed, which fear should remove and which fear you should not. For example, if you don't study you will fail, this is a positive fear. You should not remove this type of fear. जैसे अरे हो जाएगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, अब पढ़ के क्या होगा, this way it will harm you. And this fear, oh no, I will not get good marks, I have to study, this is a positiveness. So it depends on you which fear you should accept, which fear you should not accept. Further, we need to see if the principle which we use to differentiate necessary from the unnecessary constraint. Unnecessary. One is necessary constraint. One is unnecessary constraint. Also apply to relationship between the individual and the group and the nation. Right. So thus for we have defined freedom as the absence of constraint. So what we decided? We decided the absence of constraints. And to be free means to reduce or minimize social constraints. Minimize social constraints that limit our ability to make choice freely. You know, after plus two, you have a choice if you're from stream, depend on your stream, science background, commerce background, humanities background. It depends on which subjects you want to have. However, this is not only one aspect of freedom. To put it another way, freedom also has a positive dimension. I'm telling you after every nook and corner that freedom is also having a positive dimension, right? To be free, a society must individuals, group, communities, or nations will be able to charter their own destiny. If you are free, then you can think, yes, you want to do something, you want to be this way, on this line, you want to go ahead to be this in the future, right? So you are free now. It means there is no fear. Free means without any fear. Freedom in this sense allows the full development of the individual. Full development of the individual. First point. Full development of the individual is the first part of the freedom. Creativity, second. Third, sensibility. And fourth is capability. You have to enhance these all, इनको आपने बढ़ाना है. सब में कैपेबिलिटी है, सब में सेंसिबिलिटी है, सब में सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी है. Just you have to pick up your positive attitude, positive thing, and you have to enhance it. A free society, what do you mean by free society? A question could be there. What do you mean by free society? A free society, here it is. A free society is one that enables one to pursue one's interests. आपको भी मैंने कहा था कि आप अपने इंटरेस्ट को देखकर आगे बढ़ो with the minimum of constraints, without any डर. Freedom is considered valuable because it allows us to make choices and to exercise our judgment. We have lot of choices. You go any mall or market, pick up anything. It depends on, nobody is forcing you to pick up this only. Depends on your pocket, depends on your choice. So you're free. Here also, you are free in society. Your society is a free society. It permits the exercise of the individual's part of reason and judgment. ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आपकी जजमेंट क्या है, आपकी रीजन क्या है, आप किस बेस पे क्या सोचते हो. ये सब, your powers of judgment, your power of reasoning, your power of, you have got your own individual power to think what is good and what is not good for you. What is a positive fear? What is a negative fear? What do you mean by self-confident? What do you mean by overconfident? You got it? You got my meaning? Confident and overconfident. Right? So you should think about yourself. That is free society. Rest, tomorrow, the sources of constraint, I will go further with you. Right? Tomorrow, my topic will be the sources of constraint. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.